Do you ever get confused with words like can, could, must, should, may, might? Don't worry. In this lesson, I'll explain them step by step with easy examples so you can start using them correctly today. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel English Talks. Today we are going to talk about modal verbs. These are special verbs that change the meaning of the main verb. They express ability, possibility, obligation, advice, and more. Okay, let's dive in. What are modal verbs? A modal verb is used with a base verb to give a special meaning. The important thing is modal verbs do not change form. No S, no ED. For example, he can swim, not he can't swim. Okay guys, after modal verb, we always use the base verb. Can plus go, should plus eat, must plus study. For example, he can go or she must study. Can means ability, permission, or possibility. For ability, we can say I can swim or she can speak 3 languages. For permission, we can say can I open the window or you can leave early today. And for possibility, we can say it can be dangerous to drive in the rain. Alright, quick practice. Say one thing you can do and one thing you can't do. Could for past ability, polite request, and possibility. For past ability, we can say when I was a child, I could run very fast. And for polite requests, we can say could you help me please? Or could I borrow your pen? And for possibility, we can say it could rain tomorrow. Let's practice. Write in the comments one polite request with could. Must for strong necessity, obligation, deduction. For obligation, for example, you must wear a seatbelt or students must do their homework. For deduction, it means something we believe is true. For example, she must be tired after the long trip. Now let's go for common mistakes. Don't confuse must and have to. Must is stronger and more formal. For example, you must not smoke here. It's forbidden. Should for advice and for expectation. For advice, we can say you should eat more vegetables. Or, for example, he should study harder. And for expectation, we can say the train should arrive at 7. Or it should be sunny tomorrow. Very good guys. Now let's practice. What advice would you give your best friend? Write a sentence with should. May and might. It is used for possibility and permission. For possibility, we can say it may rain later or she might be at the library. And for permission, we can say you may leave the class now, and it's formal. Remember the difference between may and might. Both mean possibility. However, might often means a lower chance. It may rain 50 or 60%. It might rain 30 to 40%. Now let's go for the common mistakes. He can to swim is wrong. You should say he can swim. She must go. No, it's wrong. She must go is correct. They should to study. It's completely wrong. They should study. It might be true. No, it might be true. Very good guys. Now it is time for practice. Let's practice together. Fill in the blanks with the correct modal verb. Of course, you can pause the video if you need more time. Okay, let's quickly review. Can for ability, permission, possibility. Could for past ability, polite requests, and possibility. Must for strong necessity, obligation, deduction. And should for advice, expectation. And of course, the last one, may and might, for possibility and for permission. Remember, modal verbs are always followed by the base form of the verb. Okay guys, if this lesson was helpful, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and ring the bell for my next videos. I want you to write 6 sentences in comments with every modal verbs we learned today. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.